What's going on, fellas? I've got here a 2007 Toyota Camry, and I'm going to use this car to show you how to change your high beam bulb, your low beam bulb, and I'm also going to go over the fuses. So let's first check the fuses. I like to check fuses before I change stuff. So we open this fuse box by pushing in on this tab here and lifting up. On the back of this fuse cover, we will find a fuse puller, as well as some spare fuses here, which may come in handy. Now, for the headlights, there are a total of 4 fuses that are all clustered together down here. The 2 closest to the front of the car are for the low beams. So this one is for the driver's side low beam right here. And as you can see, this fuse just broke as I pulled it out. So the spare fuse could come in handy right now with that one. So that's the driver's side low beam. This is the passenger side low beam. This fuse is the driver's side high beam fuse, and of course the last one right here is the passenger side high beam fuse. Now what's cool about these fuses is after you check them to see if they're good, you can also check to see if they're receiving power. You can do that by checking for voltage on the exposed metal of the fuse. Doing that will give you a clue as to whether or not the headlight switch or the relay is working. Now let's move on to actually changing the headlights themselves. So for the high beam, that part number is a 9005 bulb. We can look in through here, see the bulb itself right here. You simply rotate it counterclockwise and pull it out. That's how you get the bulb out of the housing. To disconnect the bulb from the electrical connector, what you do is you push in on this tab here and pull the connector down. Now you'll want to inspect the connector to the bulb. I have seen instances where a corroded or burnt connector can cause even a good bulb to not come on. And another thing to keep in mind is when you change these bulbs, do not touch the glass. Oils or contaminants can get on the glass and cause the bulb to fail prematurely. And use of dielectric grease is recommended for the electrical connector. So that's the high beam. The low beam, it's pretty much the same procedure. You can disconnect it by pushing in on the tab here, pulling down. Inspect the connector for corrosion. And with this, again, you rotate it counterclockwise and pull it out. Before you install the new bulb, make sure that the gasket of the old bulb has been removed as well. And it's pretty much the same procedure on the other side, just a bit harder to get to with this stuff on the way, but these bulbs just rotate and come right out. So yeah, I hope that this information was helpful for you and a good starting point in troubleshooting the headlights on your Camry. Please do let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, any advice about troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.